Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to claim a Nike warranty. Explore our website, which simplifies the Nike warranty claim procedure in 3 easy steps. Actually, Nike has 2 different options to make a warranty claim. One is contacting the purchase location and the other one is claiming the warranty on the official website of Nike. Each step in the 3-step process will provide guidance for your warranty claim. Nike can be contacted by phone at 800-806-6453, which is active 7 days a week from 4 a.m. to 11 p.m. PT. Visit the contact page of Nike's official website. After getting to the contact page www.nike.com, you can find several phone numbers for different sections, a chat option, and their store-finding accessibility. To claim the warranty, Nike asks you to submit the following information: an image of the product, your customer name, email address, and preferred shipping address. After checking the submitted information, Nike advises you to return the products for replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.